Hello students, welcome to Akash Live. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2019. So today we are going to discuss the quick solutions of AIATS for JEE Advanced 2020 Test 2A Paper 1 which was held on 13th of Jan 2019. Let us begin the solution discussion with question number 41, which says that if the sum of coefficients in the expansion of x plus a raised to the power n is 4096, then the greatest coefficient in the expansion has the value. So students, when we have to calculate the sum of coefficients in any expansion, we have to put the value of all the variables equal to 1. So put x equal to 1, a equal to 1 to get the answer as sum of coefficients equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2 raised to the power n, and that is 4096. 2 raised to the power 10 is 1024, so 2 raised to the power 12 is 4096. So n is equal to 12. What is the greatest coefficient in the expansion has the value? So 12CR are the coefficients that are named as binomial coefficients. 12CR is maximum when R is equal to 6. So the answer of this question will be 12C6. Okay, and that is n factorial upon r factorial, n minus r factorial, and the answer will come out to be equal to 924. Okay, we have option number C as the right choice. Okay, so it is a very simple question based on the basic concepts of binomial theorem. Okay, let us move on to question number 42. Question 42 says that 8-digit numbers are formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 without repetition. So all of the digits have to be used. Total number of distinct numbers that can be formed such that the difference of digits at equal distances from the beginning and the end is always equal to 1 is how many? So let us start doing this question by forming all the possible combinations. So we have 8 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have 8 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the difference of digits from the beginning and the end has to be equal to 1, which means that 0 can only be paired with 1. So this is the first pair 0, 1. If 0 can only be paired with 1, 2 will only be paired with 3. This is the second pair. Further, 4 will only be paired with 5, third pair. And the last one is 6 will be paired with 7. So these are 4 particular pairs which will always occur together, which will occur in such a way that the difference of digits at equal distances from the beginning and the end is always 1. So 6 minus 7, 1. Again 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. So we have 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial options for each of the pairs which are formed above in blue, orange, green and red color respectively. Okay. Now the possible arrangements. 1, 0 can also be placed at first and the last end. Similarly, 3, 2 can be also placed at first at the last end. So we have, let us say, 4 people. We have 4 sacks over where one sack contains 2 people. So 4 factorial is the total number of arrangements of these sacks at 8 different places. Further, if a 0 comes at the first place, then it will not be a 8-digit number, it will be a 7-digit number. So out of these 4 factorial ways, when 1, 0 come at the terminal position. So 1, 0 at the terminal positions. So they will come in 3 factorial ways. Out of 24 ways, they are on the terminal position in 6 ways. And out of these 6 ways, only 3 ways will be there in which 0 will come at the first place. That means all those possible combinations will be invalid because they will result in a 7-digit number. So out of 4 factorial ways, 6 or 3 factorial are the number of ways where 1 and 0 are at the terminal position. Out of these 6 ways, 3 times 1 is at the starting position, 3 times 0 is at the starting position. So minus 3 will be here. Okay, so that will be the final answer. This will give you 2 raised to power 4, 16 multiplied by 24 minus 3, 21. The answer will be equal to 336. All you have to do is you have to follow the given conditions very particularly and very carefully. Okay, definitely a very smart question. Option number B is correct. Let us move on to 43. Question number 43, again based on binomial theorem, says that the coefficient of x raised to power 63 in the expansion of x power 6 plus 1 whole raised to power 20 multiplied by x power 9 plus 3x cube plus 3 by x cube plus 1 by x power 9 whole raised to power minus 5 you can see that the bigger bracket, that is the second term, is a perfect cube. So let us start the question. X power 6 plus 1 whole raised to power 20 is the first bracket. The next bracket is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So we have x cube plus 1 by x cube whole raised to the power 3 and then again raised to the power minus 5. This is the expression which is written in the second bracket. So this is x power 6 plus 1 upon x cube raised to the power minus 15 multiplied by x plus 6 plus 1 raised to the power 20. So this is x plus 6 plus 1 raised to the power 20 multiplied by x raised to the power 45 divided by 1 plus x raised to the power 6 whole raised to the power 15. So out of the numerator and the denominator, 15 power is cancelled. X power 45 whole multiplied by 1 plus x raised to the power 6 whole raised to the power 5. Now students, I need the coefficient of x power 63 from this particular expression. X power 45 is outside, so from the inside bracket I need the coefficient of x power 63 minus 15 minus 45, that is x power 18. So coefficient of x power 18 will be 5c3 directly. 5c3 x power 6 whole raised to power 3, that is x power 18. So 5c3, the value is 10. Option number A satisfies. So if you simplify the terms carefully, this is a very simple one. Okay, let us move on to 44. Question number 44 says that if a variable line makes intercept on the coordinate axis, the sum of whose squares is equal to a raised to the power 4, where a is any particular constant, then the locus of the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line is. So let us draw the coordinate axis and the given line. This is the variable line, the green one. L equals 0. The foot of perpendicular, I need the locus of the foot of perpendicular drawn to this line from origin. So if this is the perpendicular, let us say this is O, origin, this is P. So let us say P is h comma k. I know that the sum of intercepts made by L equals 0 is a raised to the power 4. What is the slope of OP? The slope of OP is k by h. What is the slope of L equal to 0? That is m1 m2 equals minus 1, because this is the perpendicular. OP is perpendicular to L equals 0. Minus h by k, m1 m2 equals minus 1. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. That is the equation of line L equals 0. Okay. So this is ky plus hx is equal to h square plus k square. Sum of squares of the intercepts of this line is equal to a power 4. What is the x-intercept? H square plus k square by h. What is the y-intercept? H square plus k square by k. The sum of squares of these two intercepts is equal to a raised to power 4. Let us write the expression. Sum of squares of intercepts equals a raised to the power 4. H square plus k square upon h whole square plus h square plus k square upon k whole square equals a power 4. So h square plus k square whole square is common. 1 by h square plus 1 by k square gives you a power 4. So ultimately, replacing h by x and k by y, we have x square plus y square whole square multiplied by 1 by x square plus 1 by y square equals a raised to the power 4. Carefully matching the options, we have option number C as the correct choice. Okay. So again, a very logical questions, a very concept building question. Okay. Let us move on to 45. Question number 45. If A, B, C, D are positive integers, then what is the minimum value of a raised to the power a upon sigma a, b raised to the power b upon sigma a, c raised to the power c upon sigma a, d raised to the power d upon sigma a? So we have to arrange a few numbers which will give you this particular expression. And since you need the minimum value, so they should be generated on the left hand side. Okay. So I will consider the positive numbers 1 by a, A times 1 by B, B times 1 by C, C times, and 1 by D times, and 1 by D, D times. Because A, B, C, D are positive integers, obviously 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C, and 1 by D will be positive numbers, or let us say positive fractions. So let us apply AM greater than equal to GM in these quantities. The number of quantities is A plus B plus C plus D, and the sum will be written as 1 by A plus 1 by A plus 1 by A times. So 1 by A into A. Similarly 1 by B into B into B. Similarly 1 by C into C, and similarly 1 by D into D. Whole divided by number of terms A plus B plus C plus D. So A plus B plus C plus D greater than equal to 1 by A into 1 by A into 1 by A, so on till A times 1 upon A raised to the power A multiplied by 1 upon B raised to the power B multiplied by 1 upon C raised to the power C multiplied by 1 upon D raised to the power D. That is what we require exactly. Whole raised to the power 1 upon A plus B plus C plus D, whole raised to the power 1 upon number of terms, so A plus B plus C plus D. Let us call this expression lambda. So on the right hand side you can clearly see that lambda is generated. So I have 1 upon, so this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 upon A plus B plus C plus D. On the right hand side, lambda is generated in the denominator. So 1 by lambda. Cross multiplying, I'll get lambda greater than equal to A plus B plus C plus D whole divided by 4, which means option number B is the correct choice. Okay. Let us move on to question number 46. Question number 46 says that diameter of the circle which touches the curve y square equals 8x at the point 2, 4 and passes through origin is. So students, let us write down the tangent of this curve at the point 2, 4 because this point is lying on the curve. So we will write the equation of circle by using the family of curve wherein we will consider a point circle at 2, 4 and we will consider the line as a tangent because it is touching the particular parabola at 2, 4, so it will be touching the tangent also. So what is the equation of tangent by t equals 0? It will be 4y minus 4 into x plus 2 equals 0. X minus y plus 2 equals 0. This is the line, say L equals 0. Let us consider the point circle of the point 2, 4. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equals 0. So now we need the one particular member of family of circles S plus lambda L which is passing through origin. S plus lambda L equals 0 is the whole family. When it is passing through origin, that is the particular circle that I require. So we have S plus lambda L as x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 20 plus lambda times x minus y plus 2 equals 0. X minus y plus 2 equals 0. So if it is passing through origin, 2 lambda plus 20 equals 0, lambda equals minus 10. So if lambda equals minus 10, what is the equation of circle? X square plus y square minus 14x plus 2y equals 0. So I need the diameter. What is the radius? Under root of g square plus h square minus c. So under root of 49 plus 1, that is 50. And that is root 50. And that is 5 root 2. What is the diameter? That is 2r. So that will be 10 root 2. Okay. That means option number C is the correct one. Okay. So let us move on to the next section now, which contains more than one correct type questions.